Good morning, everyone. You are welcome again in our class 10 CBSE. Yesterday, I have explained you the chapter Boli. I have told you about the summary of the chapter. Understand? Got it? So now we are going to discuss one by one the sentences I am going to speak with the help of the book so that you can easily understand that. Is that clear? Now, or man, we can say name of the chapter is Boli. Got it? Name of the chapter is Boli. Understand? It is written by K.A. Abbas. I have introduced about the writer yesterday. And these are the new words. Lot of more also coming. But now I am giving you the new words so that you can use them. Is that clear? And I think it is visible for you, visible to you. Okay, you can take help. Now we have discussed about the girl that she was, we can say, a foolish, like people were thinking that she was a simpleton, foolish person who can be tricked by other people easily. Bholi. And I also told you that the girl was fell down on pot and some part of her brain was damaged. उसका थोड़ा सा ब्रेन का जो पार्ट था वो डैमेज हो गया एंड कंप्लीट स्टोरी टिल द लास्ट मतलब जब सी डिनाइड विशंबर नाथ दैट सी वुड नॉट मैरी विद दिस मैन यहां तक अपन ने डिस्कस कर लिया था चैप्टर को. इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ वन बाय वन देयर आर टू क्वेश्चंस जो कि रीड एंड फाइंड आउट में आते हैं. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू व्हाई इज भोलीज फादर वरीड अबाउट हर. You can give answer easily. For what unusual reason is Bholi sent to school? और ऐसा unusual reason क्या था जिसके लिए भोली को स्कूल भेजा गया? I also explained you about that. Now I am going to teach. Her name was Sulekha. The real name of Bholi was Sulekha. But since her childhood, everyone had been calling her Bholi the simpleton. यानी उसके बचपन से बच्चे को क्या पुकार रहे हैं? एवरीबडी इज कॉलिंग हर भोली बिकॉज आई हैव टोल्ड यू द रीजन. एक्चुअली शी वॉज इजीली कैन बी फुल बाई पीपल. दैट्स वाई शी वॉज द फोर्थ डॉटर ऑफ नंबरदार रामलाल. फोर्थ डॉटर. ओके. व्हेन शी वॉज 10 months old, जब 10 महीने की हुई, शी हैड फॉलन ऑफ द कोट ऑन हर हेड. कोट मीन्स बैग. Got it? She was fallen on the coat on her head and perhaps it had damaged some part of her brain, and because of this she had damaged some part of her brain because she was she fell down on coat. That is why. That was why she remained a backward child. That is why go from that place. Why she remained backward child and came to be known as Bholi the simpleton. यानी people were calling her a backward. Backward means slow learner. वैसे backward को भी बोलते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ in this chapter we will use slow learner. She was known as a backward child. At birth, the child was very fair. Yesterday I told you कि जब उसका जन्म हुआ, she was very fair, beautiful, pretty. But when she was 2 years old, she had an attack of smallpox. She was also attacked by a disease, that is smallpox. Only the eyes were saved, but the entire body, entire body was permanently disfigured by deep black pock. Yani complete body was disfigured by that deep black pock marks. Little Sulekha, who was Sulekha? Bholi. Little Sulekha could not speak till she was 5 years old. Till she was 5 years old, she was not able to speak. अच्छा, मैं इस चैप्टर को विराम देकर मीन्स आई एम स्टॉपिंग दिस चैप्टर. आई एम टेलिंग यू बच्चों, जो बच्चा हकलाता है, यस्टरडे आई टोल्ड यू, है ना, जो हकलाता है बच्चा, उसका कभी मजाक नहीं उड़ाना चाहिए. कभी भी ऐसे बच्चों का मजाक नहीं उड़ाना चाहिए क्योंकि उनको बहुत गहरी चोट पहुंचती है. इस चैप्टर में हमने देख लिया. सो she was 5 and when at last she learned to speak, she stammered, मतलब हकलाना. The other children often made fun of her and mimicked. Mimic means होता है कॉपी करना, टू मेक अ कॉपी और इमिडिएट. They were making copy her and they were also laughing at the girl. See, they were also laughing the girl. She talked very little and that is why बच्ची शुरू से ही दब गई बेचारी, because the other children were making fun of her. That is why she was not talking too much. Is that clear? She was not talking too much because सोचती थी कि the people would laugh at her. That's why. Ramlal had 7 children. How many? 7 children. 3 sons and 4 daughters. There were 3 sons and 4 daughters. And the youngest of them was Bholi. और सबसे छोटी थी वो क्या थी? She was Bholi. It was a prosperous यानी पैसे वाला farmer household and there was plenty to eat and drink. खाने पीने की कोई कमी नहीं थी. Lot of things he had. All the children except Bholi were healthy and strong. And means there were 7 children, 6 were healthy and strong. Only Bholi was not. क्योंकि उसके लगी थी ना और फिर थोड़ा सा मतलब बीमारी वगैरह भी हो गई थी उसको, इसीलिए. The sons had been sent to the city to study in school and later in college. I told you कि boys को भेजा गया to the city to study for further study. Okay, the sons were in the city of the daughters. And what about the daughters? Radha, the eldest. What was the name of the girl? Radha. Had already been married. उसकी शादी हो गई थी. The second daughter's Mangala's marriage had also been settled. Second daughter Mangala's marriage was also settled. Okay. And when that was done, Ramlal would think of the third Champa. It was the turn of Champa. दोनों गर्ल्स एक की शादी हो गई, एक की सेटल्ड हो गई, and that was Champa, the third one. They were good looking. Who were good looking? The girls. 3 girls. And it was not difficult to find a bridegrooms for them. तो उनके लिए दूल्हा ढूंढना बड़ी ज़्यादा मुश्किल नहीं थी. That can be easily, you know, it can be easily managed by the parents because all the 3 girls were healthy and beautiful. So it was not hard to find out a bridegroom for them. That is why. But Ramlal was worried about Bholi. She had neither good looks nor intelligence. You know, Ramlal was also worried only about one girl. That was Bholi, because she was not so beautiful and we can say not intelligent. As I told you yesterday, Bholi was 7 years old when Mangala was married. अब जब मंगला की शादी हुई, how many years Bholi was? 7 years old. The same year a primary school for girls was opened in their village. For whom the word there is used for Bholi and her sisters. And a primary school was opened there. क्यों उस टाइम पे the girl education के लिए जो गवर्नमेंट थी वो भी सशक्त थी, इसीलिए. The Tahsildar Sahib came to perform its opening ceremony. Who came there? Tahsildar ji. He said to Ramlal, and he had given a responsibility to Ramlal. What type of responsibility given to Ramlal? That as I have given you official, you are the representative of government in the village. Okay, na? Representative, spokesperson. He made Ramlal as a spokesperson of the village. Understand? Okay. And so you must set an example to the villagers. Yani Tahsildar motivated him, or we can say he had given him ordered. He ordered him. He had given him orders that you should give example to the villager. You must send your daughters to school. और कैसे example देना है? That Ramlal was advised by the Tahsildar to send his daughters to school. Okay, और उस टाइम पता है आप लोगों को, you know about that. That night when Ramlal was talking with his wife, she cried, "Are you crazy? If girls go to school, who will marry them?" ये सोच थी लोगों की. इट वॉज द नैरो माइंडनेस ऑफ द पीपल, स्पेशली देखो क्या है इसमें, यानी गर्ल की जो दुश्मन थी उसकी खुद की मदर, उसने ये नहीं सोचा कि आई एम ऑल्सो ए लेडी, है ना। व्हाट शी वाज सेइंग कि द गर्ल्स गो टू स्कूल हु विल मैरी देम, शादी कौन करेगा उससे। बट रामलाल हैड नॉट द करेज टू डिसओबे द तहसीलदार, लेकिन रामलाल के अंदर इतनी हिम्मत नहीं थी कि वो तहसीलदार को क्या कर दे, डिसओबे कर दे। ओके, एट लास्ट हिज वाइफ सेड आई विल टेल यू व्हाट टू डू, sent Bholi to school. To whom? Bholi. His wife advised him. उसकी पत्नी ने उसको एडवाइस दिया कि you should send Bholi to school as it is there is a little chance of her getting married. देखो स्वार्थ था उसमें भी उसका. She was saying that there is no chance, little chance, थोड़ा सा चांस है getting married with his ugly face and lack of sense, because the girls was having ugly face and she was also having lack of sense. Let the teachers at school worry about her. And what did the ladies say? Let the teacher worry about her. We are not going to worry about her. So I have explained this. Two more questions. I hope you have you can give the answer of these questions which I have told you. Then we're going to start our chapter. Now, two questions are also. Does Bholi enjoy her first day at school? Does she find her teachers different from the people at home? क्या भोली ने अपना दिन एंजॉय किया फर्स्ट डे, या फिर भोली ने अपने टीचर को अपने घरों से मतलब घर वालों से कुछ डिफरेंट पाया? The next day, Ramlal caught Bholi by the hand and said, "Come with me." Ramlal was taking hand of Bholi. He was taking Bholi to the school, and what he was saying, "Come with me. I will take you to school." Where he would take her to school, and Bholi was frightened. And who was frightened? Bholi. She did not know what a school was like. बेचारी को पता ही नहीं था स्कूल होती क्या है. एक्चुअली ये कॉमन बात थी उस टाइम पे. She remembered how a few days ago their old cow Lakshmi, मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया था, I have explained about Lakshmi, उनकी गाय का नाम, had been turned out of the house and sold. She was remembering that incident, that their cow was taken away from the house and it was sold. So same was also Bholi thinking. She was also thinking the same thing. So what happened? Then she was stammering while speaking. No. She shouted in a terror. बच्ची बहुत डर गई थी. She shouted in a terror, and what happens? And pulled her hand away from her father's grip. और अपना हाथ खींचने की कोशिश की अपने पापा की ग्रिप से. She wanted to free herself. That is why she was trying to do this. What is the matter with you, you fool? Then the father ने उसको डांट दिया. He rebuked her. And what did he say? You fool! What is the matter with you? Shouted Ramlal. I am only taking you to school. He said, I am only taking you to school. Then he told his wife. अब उसने अपनी वाइफ को बोला क्या? Let her wear some decent clothes today. देखो अंदाजा लगा लो क्या बोला कि अच्छे कपड़े पहनाओ आज, or else we will what will the teachers and the other school girls think of us when they see her. देखो लड़की के बारे में नहीं सोच रहे, they were thinking that what the other children will think about us. वो हमारे बारे में क्या सोचेंगे? If she would go in a shabby cloth, ऐसे कपड़ों में जाएगी तो what would they think? यानी वो अपनी इज्जत के बारे में सोच रहा था. New clothes had never been made for Bholi. जैसे मैंने तुम लोगों को एक्सप्लेन किया था yesterday, new clothes were never made for her. The old dresses of her sister were passed on to her. The used cloth which was worn by her sisters were passing to her. No one cared to mend or wash her clothes. किसी ने भी धोए वगैरह कोई साफ सफाई नहीं रखी कपड़ों की. But today she was lucky to receive a clean dress. बच्ची आज एक अच्छी क्लीन ड्रेस ले रही थी. Which had shrunk after many washing, no longer fitted Champa, और that was not fitted to Champa, और वो ओइली थी उसको किसकी, चंपा की. She was even bathed and oil was rubbed into her dry. Okay, oil was rubbed into her dry and matted hair, उसके सूखे बालों पे ऑयल किया गया उनको. Only then did she begin to believe that she was being taken to place better than her home. तभी उसको believe हुआ that she was being taken to place that is better than her home. So how did she realize that? You should make in your mind. यहाँ तक हमने पढ़ा, कहाँ तक, यानी home मतलब than her home. Till we have discussed about this chapter. And what I have told you, today I am also going to repeat it. Bholi, the girl, a foolish person, easily tricked by others, this type of girl she was. These are the word meaning. Listen, these are the word meaning which I am going to explain. Coat means bad, backward means slow learner, poke marks, spot on the skin, these all. Okay now? Got it. So, today I have taught you the chapter but not complete, so wait, you should watch the video and try to get it. If you are having any doubt, if you are having any query, and so you are welcome, I am here for you. Okay, goodbye everyone.